DFA, okay, from the given regular expression. Now, what if we have to say create a DFA with less number of states, where whatever the language which is there, that should get preserved. Fine, that language should be preserved. There should not be any compromise with respect to the language that is accepted by the DFA. What are the DFA that you constructed? Fine, so I will take one by one the examples. What are the examples that we took? And then we'll work out in respect of the process how exactly one can come up with the solution where the number of states can be minimized by having the language to be preserved. Right? Let me start sharing the thing. One minute. Let my Wi-Fi get connected. Is my screen visible?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
One minute. One minute. So it seems, yeah. Yes, now.
Yes, it is visible.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So let me pull out the example. Yeah. So I'll be taking this one. A plus B star ABB. Okay. With these contents, this one. Okay. So we have this one. Okay. So what was the diagram that we got towards the end? So it is this one. Yes. I was talking about this one. Fine. So we saw that when we are given a regular expression like this, A plus B star ABB. So through subset construction, what we did was we constructed the process. We applied the process. We constructed this Q dash. Fine. And appropriately, we worked with construction of each state, and then we worked out with the transition. Then we got this diagram. Okay. So I'm talking about now minimization process. So I'm taking this as an example. So I will keep it here. Okay. And let me write. Minimization of FA. Now what is to be done? Like this is the diagram that you have. Fine. Where you have a transition diagram, which is a DFA for the given regular expression. So problem would be like this. So you would be given regular expression. You will be asked, construct a minimized DFA for this regular expression using subset construction and optimization algorithm. Fine. So what is to be done? So this would be for 10 marks most probably. Like if at all we take say offline exam. So this would be for 2 marks. Construct drawing this diagram with all appropriate directions, state numbers, labels for each transition. Then 6 marks would be for this whole process. Okay, what are the construction subset construction method that we applied and we got this. So this one and this one will take 6 marks, and now the remaining 2 marks would be for this minimization. Now what you do is you try to construct pi. Now this pi is what you take 2 sets, 2 groups. You have to make 2 groups. Okay, and these groups are the one where this would be non-final and this would be final. Fine, non-final and final. So I'm in state. So this is pi. You get from this diagram. Like if you see this diagram, which of them are non-final?
A, B, C, D.
ABC.
A, B, C and D, correct? And here we have E, final state, correct? Am I right? Okay, now next thing that you are going to do is, so you are going to find out in this transition diagram from A with input A, where the transition is going. From A with input A, where the transition is going, it is going to state
B.
B, correct? So it is remaining in the same set. Okay, let us try to see input B. Is it going to be in same set?
Yes.
It is here only, correct? Now for B,
In the same set.
for C,
No.
check carefully. For C,
Yes, it will be.
Yes. Yes.
it will be in the
Yes,
same
sir.
set,
Yes.
correct? It will be in the same set. But for D now, for input B, it is going here, correct? Fine. Check this diagram. See, from D we are going to E from B. That's why you construct pi1. Now pi1 would be what? Now you group these states. You separate this D because it is going to outside. And now we have E. Fine. Next thing, from A with input A, is it remaining in the same group or it is going outside?
Same.
For B,
Same.
for C. Now I am asking you this, but if you see carefully, A and C will remain in the same group. Check it. For A, with A, it goes to B. For C, with A, it goes to B, correct? So it is remaining in the same set. Fine. For A and C, even for input B, with A, B, it goes to C. With C, with B, it goes to C. So it is remaining in the same group. But for B, if you see, if you give A, then it remains in the same group. But if you give B, it is going to D. Fine. So that is the reason you construct pi2. You have AC, B, D, and E. Why we separated B? Why we separated B?
Because
somebody tell?
from B to B, it gives D, and which is not in same class.
Yeah, same group or same class, correct. That's why. Okay, now if I apply A to A and you apply A to C, where exactly it is going? A to A and C to A. A with A, C with A.
B.
It is going to same group, correct? And for other input that we have, other input is B. If I give B, it remains in same group for A and C both for input B. And for input A, again it is going to same group. So whenever this situation occurs, now what? Let me write it. A and C. A and C. It is remaining in same group. For input B and for A, it is going outside. But it is remaining in the same group. So no need to distribute this. Now you choose one of them. So generally we choose the initial one. You write A, you write B, you write D, and you write E. This would be your final Q double dash. But then how to draw this transition diagram? So first of all, let me write transition table for this diagram. What would be transition table for this diagram? Can somebody help me to write this for this diagram? Let us say A, B, C, D, and E for this diagram. Okay, what is A to A?
B.
What is A to B?
C.
C.
C. For B? Can I say BD?
Yes, sir.
For C?
B and C.
For D?
B and E.
For E?
B and C.
B
Correct?
and C.
Okay. Now what we said? We have this, we got a group where for some inputs it is remaining in same group, or for every input it is remaining in same group for different inputs. So for B it is in same group. For A it is going in different group, but for both it is the same group. Am I right? That's why we'll remove this entry. And wherever C is, we'll replace it by A. So now how your transition table would be? Fine. How your transition table would be then? BA, BD, then BE, BA. Now draw the diagram. Let us draw the diagram. How that would be? A, B, D, and E. Which is final from the given diagram? It is E. So it will remain as it is. This is initial. Fine. Now from A, it is going to B. For B, it is in the same group. For B, correct. For D, and for E, now let us write the inputs. So this is B, A, B, A, B, A, B. Okay. Now if I try to find out the string accepted by this, for example, so let us take this A, B, B. So first string is A, B, B, A, B, B. Fine. Then B, A, B, B. I will take 2-3 strings. Then A, B, B. Fine. Then B, B, A, B, B. B, B, A, B, B. So let me take these 4 strings and let me see whether are they accepted here or not. Let us take first A, B, B. A, B, B. It is taking us to final, correct? Then B, A, B, B. B, A, B, B. Then next is A, B, B. A, B, B. Then last one B, B, A, B, B. B, B, A, B, B. So it is taking us to final. So that's why if you see earlier we had number of states to be 5. We could convert this diagram or this transition diagram or this finite automata with number of states to be lesser. So we got these 2 pictures. So you had same. Now this is accepting the same language. Both of them are accepting same language. But here we had 5 states. Now we are having 4 states. Is that fine? Are you there?
Sir, could you explain the first part again?
OK. So what is to be done? For the given whatever the diagram that you got as a DFA for the given regular expression. So try to create 2 groups. One is non-final, other one is final state. So this is for states. So all non-final here are A, B, C, D. So we took them in the group, and one is final E. That's why we took them. We took it into other group. Then what you did was for every input that is available there, you tried verifying whether is it remaining in the same group or is it going outside the group. When I say same group, for every state, even if it is a different group, for every state it should go that way. So I will let you know what the situations even for this case. Fine. So what we did was we tried finding out for D it is going to E. That's why we separated D. So we got A, B, C, D, E. Correct? Then we took A, B, C, D, E to be now A, B, C to be one group, D to be other, and E to be one another. Now we tried finding out from A, B, C. So we could find that from A and from C, whenever I give input B, it remains in the same group. Correct? Both the states, when one input is given, it is going to a group for which is same for both the states. For other input, again it is same. Whenever you see this situation, don't divide this again. Keep it as it is. And whenever you don't have any option available, you terminate your construction here directly. So you got, now you give any name among this A or C. You can give C too, not a problem. But only in that case C would be your initial state. Because we know that A is initial. That's why I'm taking this A over here. So I took A, I removed C, I took B, I took D, I took E. This would be my new set. So I tried. Now how exactly the diagram to be drawn? So for the given for the DFA that I had, I created a transition table like this. So from this transition table, what I did was I thought of removing this because this C is not available here at all. So if I remove this line, wherever C was, so I replaced it by A. That's what I did. I replaced it with A, I replaced with A. So I got this new transition table for A. So wherever C was, I replaced it by A. Wherever C was, I replaced with by A. So even if you replace C by A, this would be A, B, C, but you write it once only. That's why we deleted this line. Now you may wonder, we had 3 lines with BC to be option, BC, BC, BC. But then why we haven't taken this? Because this is at actually earlier set only, which is the different. That means it is a final state. That's why we could not have it here. With assumption that if this E could have been a non-final, then probably like these all could be taken in one shot only or one group only. Correct? Fine.
Yes, sir.
Seems my network got freezed. 1 minute. Let me check. So I hope now you must have seen what exactly is happening there. Fine. With respect to the process. 1 minute since network gone for Wi-Fi. So any question, query? Yes, please.
So could we take another example?
Yeah. So like I definitely would be asking one of you to really share the answer where you had more than one final state. Okay. Wait for a while. Let me connect it with other machine. Yeah. So I got it. So let me first see if I can share this with you. Is it visible? Take the screenshot of this first. Take screenshot of this. Say, can somebody share it in the chat? I will share this images probably tomorrow. Have you taken the screenshot? Somebody?
Yes, sir.
Allah, yeah. Thank you. Thank you very much. Now let us. Allah, do you have any example where you have maybe more than one final?
Oh yeah, it will be in my
Okay.
notebook.
Okay. So can you please share that? So when you share, let me know so that I can check it. Teams. Can you share one example where you had final states?
Oh yeah, yes sir. So can I put it on the WhatsApp group?
Okay. So yeah, it would be great. So I will draw it alternatively here. So So when you share, let me know. Okay, I may even shared.
Yeah.
So it must be loading. Okay, I haven't yet received. Yeah. So good. So I will draw that. Let it get downloaded. Yes. So can you tell me what is the regular expression for this?
AA. Yeah. AA plus BA star. AA plus BA, both in bracket and star.
Okay. Okay. So I'm assuming that whatever the diagram he's giving us, it is correct. Okay. Now as it is star, so that's why this would be final. A. This is D, na? Okay, this is B.
E.
Am I right? See, check this one. Is this correct as per
So
your
there's an
solution?
H from E to B for A.
E to, yeah. So yes. Yeah, good. Fine. Okay, now let us take this example. Now you have final states and non-final. Which is final and which is non-final? So first is non-final and then final. Give me which is final and which is non-final.
Non-final would be BC.
Okay,
And then would be ADE.
correct. Fine. Now from B with A, where it is going? From
To
B
D.
with A, it is going to D, correct?
Yeah.
From C with A, it is going to E. So different states, but same set.
Yeah.
Fine. Even for C with A, it is going to
E.
E. Okay. And for C with B, have I written with C with B?
It's not doing.
There is no transition. That's why we cannot have them in the same group. See, B and C with A, they are going to same group, correct? Fine. But for other input B, do we have any transition from B with B? No.
No.
Correct. For C with B, no. But they are going into group. So if you keep them one, what will happen? They are going to different groups, correct? So if let me draw it. So from B, if we go to A, it goes to D, correct? And from C with A, it goes to E. Correct. So they are going to states which are from the same group, but they are not the same state. in earlier example, if you see, okay, example was this one. If you see, for one input, say input A, for both the states, they are going to same state. Correct? Am I right? Even if it
Yes.
is a group,
Yes,
even if it is a group, in this case, even A and C, if A, B could be A only, A, B could be A, and C, B could be C, then we could not have taken these two in the same group. That's why this needs to be separated. Let me take B. Let me take C. Let me take ADE. Now suppose if I take ADE from A and from D and from CE, do we have any other option available? See, if I give input A to A, input A to D, and input A to E, all of them are going to be. Can you see that? Sorry.
Yes, sir.
Can you see that? See, if I give input A to each of these, they are going to B. If I give input B to each, they are going to C. Correct? See this one, B, B, and B. All three are going to C, and all three, 1, 2, 3, this one, are going to same group. So no need to distribute them again because they are going to same group. Correct? The way that we had earlier. So you will see that you have only this one. Can somebody explain me why we did this? Why we separated B and C? You can see
Because
this.
for
Yeah,
input
this.
A,
Yeah, yeah. Please go on.
because for input A, both the states were giving different states. That is, B goes to D and C goes to E. So we
Correct.
separated
Hmm.
B and C.
Hmm.
And in the next case for ADE, when we give input A, they gives C, and when we give input B, they gives when we give input B, they give C, and when we give input A,
A,
they
then
give
it goes
B.
to B. Correct.
So
So as they are
the
going to same group,
ADE
that's
will
why
be
we
given
will
as
not
C.
separate. That's why we will not separate. We will keep them as it is. So let me draw the transition table. Let me write the transition table. So you are having transition table as A, B, C, D, and E. Correct. So what would be transitions A and B? Tell me. This is B, C. Correct. With B, D dash. With C,
E,
dash. With D,
BC.
with E. Correct. Now what we said, we'll remove this D and E. So let us remove them. And wherever wherever D and E is, we'll replace them by A. Correct? Am I right? So let me draw this. A, B, and C. Which is final?
A.
Initial and final is same. So your star is preserved. Correct? This results to epsilon. So first thing is accepted. Now it is like this. This one. B and B comes to this one. So this is A. This is B. B to A and C to A. Now see, you have say like what would be the language here? epsilon, then AA, then BA. See epsilon, then AA, correct? Then BA, BA, it is done. So A, A, then B, A, B, A, B, A, B, A, B, A. So A, B, A, correct? Then B, A. So can you get those things from here? Yes. So let us try to see whether are we getting epsilon. So epsilon done. A, B, A. 4 times A. A. So it is taking us final, correct? Similarly, B, A. Fine. Then A, B, A. A. So you can see that we had 5 states. We could come up the same solution with 3 states. Allad, take a screenshot of this again and share in meeting chat. Is that fine? Any question, query? You can ask. Is that fine?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I have
Ankush?
shared the screenshot.
Yeah, thank you. Anushka, Ankush, Chinmay, Shruti, Aishwarya, Akshay.
Yes, sir, we understood it.
Okay, good. So can you share one more example so that I can take some other case? So you can pick a complicated diagram. I don't mind. So that like this will help us to learn this algorithm very well.
Sir, there's an example with 1 and 0. So we can just consider
Yeah.
this.
You give me an example.
Okay.
So you are sharing on WhatsApp only?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So by the way, yeah, I already wrote this AA, BA star. So this is the DFA that you got. So let me pick one more example. So you can apply this same process for each example that you have solved. Fine. Okay, as an assignment point of view. Yeah, so he gave me bigger one now. So let me rotate the screen and 1 minute portrait. So let me draw it. Allah, please pay attention and let me know if I make any mistake in drawing it. Fine. Because this is the solution that you gave. C. I'm assuming that this is correct, by the way. F I. This is D G H. This is final. So you have C, G and I final, correct?
Right, sir.
Even you should not miss any arrow, by the way. This is important because if you miss one of them, then it may result to an issue. Because your language definitely changes in that point of time. See the transitions?
Yes,
Are
sir.
they right? Okay. Now let me write inputs. So this is 1, this is 1, this is 1, sorry, yeah, this is 1, this is 0, this is 0, this is 1, this is 0. You haven't written one input for a D to H. See your answer. What is for D to H? Allad?
Yeah, sir. 1 second. I'm just looking. It is 0.
0. Can you give me regular expression?
I've sent it. I've sent it in the.
Okay, regular expression also.
Yeah.
Okay. So it is 1 1 star, na? 1 1.
Yes, sir.
Star.
0 1 plus 1 0 star 1.
Okay. So this is the example that he gave me. Fine. So let us try to work with. How many are final? How many are non-final? Instead of how many, which are the final, which are non-final?
So A B D H F E.
So A, B, D, E, F, H, correct? Then
Yeah.
C, H, I, G, H, I, na? G and I, correct?
Yeah.
Okay. Now let us try to concentrate on the transitions. Now you help me now one by one. So Anushka, let me know like where should I separate the set now? Check for input 1. If you carefully see for all these states, with 1 you remain in same group for A and B. Sorry, only A. For every other case, you are going to outside world. Can you see that? And only C is there, which is taking you outside. GI. Otherwise, from G and from I, there is no outgoing transition. Am I right? Yes, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now let us try to see. Like with A, with 1, I am remaining in the same group, correct? With B, with 1, I am going to C. So this should be separated, correct? Okay. With D, I am going to G. This to be separated. With E, with 1, I am remaining in the same group. Correct. With F, with 1, I am going to I. So which states are staying in the same group? But they all are different. Though they are remaining in the same group, but they are not pointing to same state. They are taking me to outside. Am I right?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
It seems it is quite clear. See, from A, because each state almost except B, E, and D. AH also, like except A, each state in this case is having 2 transition except A and F. See, A and F had only 1 transition. All other 4 states are having 2 transitions. See, for B we have 2 transitions, for D we have 2 transitions, for E we have 2 transitions, and for H we have 2 transitions. Correct? But for A and F we have 1 transition only, and even it is not pointing to same state. So each one should be separated now. each one should be separated. Why? See, for example, if I take one input for E, it is going to F, correct? One input, it is going to be remaining in the same group, but for F, it is going for 0, it is going to F. So it is remaining in the same group. But for F, for 1, it is not E. Only C is having E. So I cannot keep all of them in the same group because they are not taking me to same state. Only what I can see is D and H. D and H. If I give 1, it goes to G. If I give 1 to H, it goes to G. If I give 0 to D, it goes to H. If I give 0 to H, it goes to H. So they are remaining in the same group, D and H. Can you see that? Can you see that? See carefully.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So for input 1, D and H both go transition to G, and for 0, D transitions to H and H transitions to H.
So they are same states, correct?
Yes.
Either in the same group or the outside, but all other are different. So let me first try this. A, B, E, F. Because I cannot even take this F and E together. Because A, B already are different, correct? A and B are already different. Because they are, though they are, for one it is remaining in same, but for other state it is going outside. So I cannot keep both of them to be in one set. So let me separate this A, B, E, F. Fine. Now DH, I will take them in one. And then I have CGI. So DH, can I separate? No, because they are pointing to same. For one input, it is similar to the example that we saw here. See here. For A and C, we were going to same input with one outside, and for one input, it is remaining in the same group. Correct? Same cases here for D and H. Can you see that? For D and H, for D1, it goes to G. For H1, it goes to G. For 0, it remains in same group. For 0, it remains in same group. That's why we'll keep this one. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now next, let us try to see about CGI. From C, we are going to E. Correct? We are going to E, and for F, like for 0 and 1, we are going to outside. So A, B, E, F. I will write DH now. I will separate C now because I worked with this group. Now I will work with this group. Because I have more than one state. That's why. Otherwise, I could not have, because earlier examples which we saw here, we had final states more, correct? Then we converted them to one because we could see that there are transitions reaching to the same group. That's the reason. Correct? Now in this case, for C, sorry, for G and I, there is no outgoing transition. Can you see that? For G, there is no outgoing transition. For I, there is no outgoing transition. But for C, we have two transitions. And that's why we'll separate this A, B, E, F, D, H. Sorry, I already separated it. Okay, GI. Sorry, I wrote it again. So GI. I separated C. Have you understood what is the reason? What is the reason?
Yes, sir.
Because C is having only outgoing transition, but G and I is not having. So our work is done. So A, B, E, F. Now let us take D, C, and G. Now draw the transition diagram. So let us first create the table. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Input 0, input 1. Tell me from the diagram. So see the diagram on WhatsApp because I may not be able to show you the diagram and table together. What would be A0 dash A1 B, correct? B0 D, B1 C. Even that is the reason why we are separating B, correct? Okay. For C, E, F. For D, H, G. I don't know, like H, I, J, K, G, H, correct? H, G. Yeah. For E, E, F. For F, dash I. For G, for H, for I, correct? Now what we did here, we replaced DH by D. So remove this H. And for GI, we
For
removed I.
E, it will be FE.
Sorry.
For
I
E, it will be
yeah,
FE.
FE, correct. Sorry. Fine. Now we removed this. Now wherever H and I are, H is to be replaced by D. So this would be D. Correct? And I would be replaced by G. Now let us draw this. Let us draw this. So A, B, C, D.
Sir, just a doubt. Can we do it the other way around also? So instead of replacing H with D,
Hmm?
uh, we could be 1 second. So G and H are the same. No, D and H are the same. So instead of replacing H with D, would replacing D with H also be okay?
Whatever.
Okay.
That is your choice. I am taking first.
Okay.
What your first occurrence. So that like if you keep method same, you will get answer same. So that after the examination you can verify with each other what is
Yeah.
your solution. It's for simplicity only. Yeah, no reason, no other reason. Fine. Then G, then H is not there. Then we had C, E, then F. Correct. I is removed. So let us draw the transitions. For A, for B, correct. For C, for D, for E, for F, correct. Done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we are done with the transitions. Now let us write the inputs. What are they? 1. Then this B gives C 1. B to D 0. D to H 0. D to G 1. F to G 1. C to F 1. C to E 0. E to F 0 1. Correct. Now which is final? Initial is A. Which were final earlier? C, G, I. So now we replaced I, correct? So only C and G would be your final states. C and G your final states. Now let us take the strings. Let us take first string. So let me write this L. Okay, I will take simply this 1 0 star 1. So I will take 1 1. So see 1 in this case 1 1. So first string is 1 1. correct? 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 1, correct? Similarly, if I take 1 0 1, it is done. 1 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 0 0 1 1 0 0 0 1. Let me take this one. 1 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 1 1 0 1. Okay, let me take these samples. Okay, let us try to see whether are these accepted here. Fine. Let us see 1 1 first. So 1 1, we are reaching to final, done. 1 0 1 1 0 1, taking to final, done. 1 triple 0 1 1 0 0 0 0 1, it is done. 1 1 0 1 1 1 0. Now where is 1? So 1 1 0 1. How exactly we got it?
From E to E itself, right?
But
1
final
1.
state is what? But final state is what?
Ah.
Check this. 1 1 0 1. So from E, have I made a mistake? F and E. From F. Okay, let me see. What was the string we said? 1 1 0 1. How we exactly got it? 1 1 C to F. Yeah, so I should have taken 1 1. Why I wrote 1 here? I think I made a mistake here. While writing, I think from C with E it is 1. So I wrote it wrongly. This is F, na?
Yes, sir. Right.
This is F. Yeah. So that's why this is F and this is E. Correct. Then it should be okay. So this is 1 and this is 0. Correct. Fine. See, as per the example, even like I wrote it wrongly. This is F and E because you took 1 first and then 0. That's why. So I should have written this 1 in this side. Then I could have done better. That's why I made mistake here too. Earlier one. Yeah. So F and E. That's why this C and E also would be showing you same thing. Correct. Now you check it. So 1 triple 0 1 1 triple 0 1 done. 1 0 1 is done. 1 1 is done. So 1 1 0 1 1 1 0 1. Yes. Now 1 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 1 1. So 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 4 ones, then 0, then 1. Yeah. Now this should be quite okay. Now see. So earlier you had 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. You have now 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. One state you could save or 2 states. You could save 2 na, because you had 9, you got now 7. 4 plus 3, 7 states. Is that fine?
Yes, sir.
So got the idea now how this works?
Yes.
So what you do now, so what are the examples that you have solved in the assignment? Construct for each on the same page. Maybe if you don't have, then you write regular expression, you write the final diagram that you got, and then you write the minimized this process and this one. Fine? Is that fine? Can you add screenshot of these two? Fine. Try solving it. For any issues that you have, we will discuss tomorrow. Fine. Thank you, Allah.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. So any question? You have all the things added here now.